Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bank of America for business deposits. To authenticate with Bank of America for business deposits, start by visiting the Bank of America website. Locate the Sign In button in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign In button to be directed to the login page. Enter your business online banking ID in the designated field. Next, input your password. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you are logging in for the first time, follow the prompts to set up your security questions. Once logged in, navigate to the Deposits section from the main dashboard. Choose Make a Deposit to initiate the deposit process. Select the account into which you want to deposit funds. Enter the amount you wish to deposit in the appropriate field. If you are making a mobile deposit, you will need to take a photo of the front and back of the check. Review all entered information for accuracy before proceeding. After confirming the details, click on the Submit button to complete the deposit. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your deposit has been successfully submitted. For additional security, regularly update your password and monitor your account activity. If you experience any issues, consider contacting Bank of America customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.